special bonus track, unexpected obstacles, power-up crashes. And is this giant baby munching the track? Anyway, welcome back to another Mana Diecast racing episode with Wycliffe Manapor, created by Mama and the odd commentary by myself, Mr. Turtle.
And also me, Mama Mummy.
First off, we're going to be unboxing some new Mario Kart cars to get into the excitement of the new Super Mario Galaxy movie trailer. The first movie was epic, so I'm expecting nothing less for the next movie. Now, straight out of the box, this car is nice and weighty. Not sure if it will go fast, though, since it has rubber tires, but we will see. And next, Wycliffe, we'll be opening this new box of Super Mario Hot Wheels character car.
You open.
Alright.
You open it.
You open and show us what we got. Wow, this is what we're racing today.
Wow.
So we got Mario's sports car with this cute red hat and spoiler on the back. A green Yoshi tow truck with a mini egg in the tray. Here's Peach in a gorgeous convertible with golden seats and crown embellishments. Not gonna lie, this Bowser Hummer truck is mad, yo. And look at Luigi's supercharged ute, rocking a matching green hat. The lineup is looking legendary so far.
Bowser, Luigi, Pikachu, and Mario built this. Yoshi is doing. Here you guys this.
And now, to add some spice, we opened up this new Minecraft dude, Steve, riding a pink piglet as Wycliffe likes to call it. Also racing May from the Red Panda movie, Black Panther from the Marvel series, and Iron Man from the Avengers. Let's go!
Don't forget to stick around because at the end of this tournament, we're sending our racers down a special bonus track.
Very excited to see who actually finishes this track.
We will also do our special shout out at the end. 3, 2, 1. Going right into our character cars race. It's the best of 4, and this is race 1.
Taking off Bowser is slacking. Luigi takes lead on the first turn. Yoshi has lost control on the second turn. And Mario and Peach are vying for that win. But it's Peach who takes the W.
Mario takes second and Luigi takes third, while Yoshi barely makes the finish line. Then you see Mummy swinging in and moving baby Rowie out of the way so we can get a closer look at our winner contest, Peach.
Let's check in on Bowser, who's still stuck, and poor Yoshi, who's flipped on his side and just hanging at the finish line. The scoreboard is just starting up, so we off to race 2. Remember, it's the best of 4 for this first group.
You ready? Beautiful.
Go! Mario's in the lead, but oh my gosh! Mario's flipped on the corner. What?
Luigi's took lead, but Peach makes the corner and activates the power-ups. It's over for everyone. Only Peach makes it through, claiming the victory.
And all the points. What a way to take everyone out of the race.
We still got the Plumbers races and then MDM team races to go, so it's still anyone's race.
Peach is just soaking up the wind.
Number one. And what happened?
Crash cam shows Bowser actually made it down the track and was smashed with a matching green shell. Poor Yoshi slipped on a banana, and Luigi was completely flipped on his head from that red shell collision.
Now over to Mario and his sports coupe, who completely flipped after the first turn and is just laying here in shame.
I'd be embarrassed too. Scoreboard shows Peach is dominating, so let's see if race 3 can turn the tide.
What do you think about it? Good job, Wawa.
Another bad run for Bowser. Peach is leading the first turn. Second turn has thrown Yoshi and he's lost control. But Luigi is our victor. Everyone else has been done over by power-ups. Now zooming in to our winner Luigi.
But what happened to these guys?
Get to him soon, Wycliffe, but let's check in on Yoshi. He's not having a good run this race. And that's Mario flipped in front of Yoshi on his back from a green shell. Then Princess Peach finally fell off her high horse with a red shell smacking her back to reality.
Okay, let's go see Bowser. Oh, Bowser got stuck on the first turn.
Definitely not landing any points this round.
Peach is still dominating the scoreboard. Well, we're moving into our last race for the character cars, and then it's mixed races from here on in.
Mario taking lead, but oh man, he's flipped on the first corner.
Yoshi's taking first. Luigi's flipped.
Did Luigi just do that?
I think he did. That flip just took second place from Peach.
Bowser's rolling in, but the race has been won by Yoshi's tow truck. Luigi has epically stolen second place, leaving Peach with third. An unexpected but well-deserved win for Yoshi.
Whoa, this time it was Yoshi.
Checking in on Bowser, who ended this race by slipping on a banana and with 0 points.
And another trash performance by Mario and his cool sports coupe.
And the final scoreboard is in. Peach won with 10.
Luigi made a close second with 9 points, and Yoshi's win secured him third place.
We're now starting the Team Plumbers race. It's the best out of 3, and they're going against our Mario Kart character cars.
Lined up is Peach, Luigi, Bowser, Yoshi, and our newbie star of the show, Mario Brothers Plumbers. Peach flies around that first corner, Luigi catching up to Peach. Yoshi flies in. Power-ups are activated, and Luigi smashes through the boom gate. Princess Peach is struck by lightning, while Bowser and the Plumbers come rolling in.
Can I just say, those two came cruising in like they were out for a Friday night drive. They weren't even racing.
I don't even think they took this race seriously. Anyway, we're zooming in on our winner in lane 4 now. But the Mario Brothers Plumbers basically strolled into that B.O. bomb. Bowser cruised his way to the banana slip, but Princess Peach took that lightning bolt with zest and confidence.
Alright, so here's the new scoreboard showing everyone who's racing in the Plumbers race. Mario has an X on him because he didn't race this time round, and anyone who doesn't race in that round will get a red X.
Ooh, the zoom out is a bit late. Plumbers lead the first corner. Mario and Luigi take the lead second turn, and that lead to win. Bombshells landed on Yoshi and Bowser. Get it? Ha ha ha! But just look at those Plumbers rolling in to take third place.
What's crazy is they weren't even trying, and yet they somehow managed to land on the scoreboard.
Mario, finally.
And he actually finished the race?
He did. Oh, Mr. Turtles will take it from here, Mama.
Yes, ma'am. So Yoshi's tow truck took a matching green shell to the front, and a red shell flew straight into the front of Bowser's Hummer.
Oh, man.
Well, quick peek at the scoreboard, and you can see that Luigi's leading with 7, Mario's in second place, and Yoshi is in third. And the Plumbers are slowly creeping up there.
Now, if you're enjoying this episode, hit that like button. It helps us out with making content. Comment your favorite cars from any episodes, and subscribe to our little family channel.
Oh, where's the other one? Where's Luigi? Oh, Luigi.
Looks like Luigi is sitting this last race out.
And it's go time. Yoshi's leading the first turn. Oh my gosh, Yoshi's flipped!
Mario speeding around the second corner to a win. Yoshi and the power-ups have completely blocked poor Peach, and the Plumbers have miraculously done it again. Landed themselves second points with the odds truly in their favor.
Number 4. Mario again.
Bowser rolling in after Wycliffe has unstuck him from that second turn. Now a quick zoom into Mario, who's won the last Plumbers race. Claps for our Plumbers who landed second place, and now to inspect the damage. Bowser and his big Hummer has just been trashed this whole tournament so far. As for Yoshi, he started in lane 5, flipped after the first turn, and landed in lane 3, blocking Peaches from the banana peel. Very debonair of him. The final scoreboard shows Mario's win put him in lead as winner of our Plumbers race. Luigi, a close second with 7, and the Plumbers actually did it land in third place. Well done, guys, with your Cavalier racing and rubber tires. It's now time for Team MDM to show out. The Marvel Disney Minecraft team will also have Mario Plumbers racing. Hopefully, Plumbers take this mini tournament more seriously than the last one we just watched.
And the countdown is on. Let's race.
Plumbers are stuck, but Iron Man leads the first meme, taking lead, but Steve zoomed in strong and met with a power-up. Who took the win, though?
Lane 5, it's Iron Man. And now we're off to inspect the damage. Oh, no, sorry. Announce the winner.
Oh, Iron Man, what happened?
I'll tell you what happened. Steve from Minecraft smashed into a green shell, and Black Panther was met with a red shell. And then over here, well, the Plumbers didn't even make it around that turn.
Scoreboard has started, and we got 2 more races to go, so let's get racing.
Right, Wawa has decided he's gonna do...
Steve, Black Panther. Not. Not to the back.
Hold on. Let mommy... Oh, pick up Black Panther, please.
And number 5, not.
Put him in.
Also a reminder that this is the best out of 3, so this is race 2.
Right,
The
let's
2
go.
get the Red Panther, the Black Panther, so the Iron Man is Ding.
It's go time! Panther is leading the first turn. Mario Plumber's lagging behind May May takes lead. But what's this? Iron Man and Steve Zoomin taking first and second.
Yes, an absolute close call, but Steve came first, and look at the plumbers just rolling in.
Casually rolling in.
It does like a sweet bananas.
Letting Mummy announce the winner.
A Black Panthers.
Minecraft!
A pleasant surprise for Mama. Crash cam showing the plumbers were gently high-fived by a banana peel, and Black Panther took that lightning strike head on. Over to the scoreboard. Iron Man is now in the lead with 7 points. May May second place with 5, and Steve has secured third place. Still, we have one more race and anything can happen, including the fact that if you're still watching this, I think you need to hit subscribe and save this playlist. Also, let us know what your favorite racers have been so far. On to our last race, and Wycliffe has replaced Black Panther and the Plumbers with Mario and the Bone Shaker. But will it make a difference?
Iron Man takes the first turn. Second turn, Bone Shaker takes the lead. Oh!
Blasted to smithereens. But lane 1 Steve takes the win again. Iron Man taking second place.
Number 1. Wow! Let's go. He's actually my favorite now.
Well, a green shell has totaled May May.
And Mario flew down the track but was attacked by a banana. His car is shredded, and the Bone Shaker smacked up by a measly red shell. The final scoreboard shows Iron Man wiped us out with a winning 10 points. Steve took home second place, and Ann May May third. Well done, racers.
Alright, and today's track looks like this. We've got a little loop. Then we've got to go over
Editor's note, but Mama took that hill out since no one could make it over during practice runs.
a little hill. We're going to have the ghost trap going. And this. And we end at Jack Skellington. So,
Starting off, our bonus heats strong with Mario and Peach at the front, Yoshi and the Plumbers at the back. This is heat 1 out of 4, and our burning question for the end is who will finish the track?
All of them speed down the hill and take that loop. Oh, Yoshi and the plumbers have fallen. And who's this finishing the race? Replay shows Mario got caught up by the piranha, but Princess Peach went on to finish and land at Jack
Oh,
Skellington's
there's a sweet bananas. Yay!
Well, let's move on to Heat 2. We've got Yoshi, Toad in a shoe cart, Steve from Minecraft, and Luigi going down the lane.
All 4 rushed down the hill to the first loop, but dang, it's a crash festival. None of them came out of that victorious.
That little loop is proving to be trickier than it looks. But no one finished this time round.
So moving on to Heat 3, we got Yoshi, Steve, and Toad again. And Peach as our newbie. They're flying down that hill, hit the loop, and it looks promising. But what's this? Steve is in everyone's way. Oh no, Steve landed on his side, and the blockhead blocked anyone from finishing. What a waste. Anyway, on to our last heat race. Character cars plus the plumbers are going down the lane this
3,
time.
2, 1.
2, 1, go!
Well, we definitely saw that coming, so...
Yes, no surprise there, and definitely no finishers.
That's
but
right.
what a ride for the gang. At least they went out in style.
Yep, so now that we've come to the end of our video, we're going to do our little shout-out.
First shout out is to Auntie Patience and Uncle Valor, who commented on our last video. Thank you for watching, fam.
And our second shout-out is to Oakland, Lennox, Jalen, and all their little cousins who have been watching. We love it. Thank you for sharing with us.
If you want to be shouted out in the next video, comment your favorite racer or even just your name with an emoji. And if you've made it this far, please follow along. Tap the thumbs up and share this video with someone who'd enjoy watching some Hot Wheels die-cast racing.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you, watchers.